Hey everyone! Tired of those life hacks that waste time and money? Me too. I've tested and refined real hacks that work. Forget the gimmicks, these are real solutions. Let's dive in. First, save time in the kitchen. Freeze chopped herbs in olive oil using an ice cube tray. Pop out a cube and toss it into your pan for an instant flavor boost. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. Now save money on produce. Wrap veggies in aluminum foil to extend their shelf life. This can extend their shelf life by up to 2 weeks. For coffee lovers, use a fine mesh sieve instead of filters. It's reusable, eco-friendly, and you'll never run out of filters. Plus, it makes you feel like a barista. For cleaning, mix vinegar and water for an all-purpose cleaner. Add essential oil to mask the vinegar smell. It's natural, effective, and cheap. For parents, organize a clothing swap to save on kids' clothes. You'll get new clothes for your kids without spending a dime. Plus, it's a great way to build community. For tech, use a spring from an old pen to keep charging cables from tangling. Wrap it around your cable near the ends to keep it from bending and breaking. It's a small change that can save you a lot of frustration. So there you have it. Genuine life hacks that will save you time, money, and stress. Give them a try and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.